Hi friends, do you know the deepest trench on earth? Today we are going to see some interesting facts about the deepest trench on earth. The Mariana Trench or Marianas Trench is located in the western Pacific Ocean about 200 kilometers east of Mariana Islands. It is the deepest oceanic trench on earth. Is the Mariana Trench circular? Actually, it is crescent-shaped and measures about 2,550 kilometers in length and 69 kilometers width. The Mariana Trench was formed when two tectonic plates collide. Collision point, one of the plates dives into Earth's mantle, creating an ocean trench. The Mariana Trench is the deepest part on Earth. It is 11,034 meters or 36,201 feet deep, which is almost 7 miles, and has a temperature of 1 to 4 degrees Celsius at the bottom. The depth of the Mariana Trench was first plumbed in 1875 by British ship HMS Challenger. As a part of the first global oceanographic cruise, the Challenger scientists recorded a depth about 5 miles or 8 kilometers using a weighted sounding rope. Has anyone been to the bottom of Mariana Trench? On 23rd January 1960, two explorers, U.S. Navy Lieutenant Don Wolfe and Swiss engineer Jacques Piccard, became the first people to dive 11 kilometers or 7 miles to the bottom of the Mariana Trench. On 28 April 2019, Victor Vescovo descended nearly 11 kilometers to the Challenger Deep of the Pacific Ocean. He spent 4 hours exploring the bottom of the trench. When we compare Mariana Trench with Everest, there is a difference of 7,169 feet, because Everest is 29,032 feet tall and Mariana Trench is 36,201 feet deep. The most amazing event is that a plastic bag, which is given by grocery stores, is now the deepest known piece of plastic trash found at the depth of 10,975 meters inside the Mariana Trench. Thank you friends for watching my video until the end, and don't forget to drop a like and share my video to your friends, and definitely subscribe my channel. We will meet in the next video. Until that, bye bye.